To understand how high blood pressure develops, it's useful to start with the basics about how the cardiovascular system and the organs that help regulate it work. Each beat of the heart releases a surge of nutrient and oxygen-rich blood from the heart's main pumping chamber, left ventricle, into a network of blood vessels. The arteries are the blood vessels that carry blood from your heart to the rest of the body. The largest artery, called the aorta, is connected to the left ventricle. It serves as the main channel from the heart. The aorta branches into smaller arteries, which branch into even smaller arteries, called arterioles. These tiny arteries narrow and widen to regulate the amount of blood that goes to an organ or tissue. Tiny vessels called capillaries carry blood from the arterioles into the body's tissues. Capillaries are the final pathways for blood to get to the tissues inside the organs. Capillaries exchange nutrients and fresh oxygen for carbon dioxide and other waste products produced by the body's cells. Oxygen-depleted blood then returns to the heart through a system of blood vessels called veins. When the blood in the veins reaches the heart, it's routed to the lungs, where it releases carbon dioxide and picks up a new supply of oxygen. With a fresh supply of oxygen, the blood is sent back to the heart, ready to resume the journey through the cardiovascular system. Other waste products are removed as blood passes through the kidneys and liver. A certain amount of pressure, blood pressure, maintains this circulation and keeps all 11 pints of blood moving through the body at a rate that ensures the body gets the nutrients it needs and removes waste as needed. Blood pressure is the amount of force exerted on the artery walls to keep blood flowing. Blood pressure is often compared to the pressure inside a garden hose. Without an exerting force, the water can't get from one end of the hose to the other. Regulators of blood pressure. Working together, several organs and body chemicals help control blood pressure. Together, this delicate system keeps blood pressure from rising too much or dropping too low, and ensures that the body removes waste and gets the nutrients it needs. Even as blood pressure rises and falls throughout the day, these parts of the body keep tabs on these changes to ensure a healthy blood pressure level. Here's a look at each part of the system. The heart. The flow of blood in the body starts with the heart. When blood leaves the heart from the left ventricle and moves into the aorta, a certain amount of force is created by the pumping action of the heart muscle. How fast and how strongly the heart beats influence the level of blood pressure. If the heart beats faster and more vigorously, blood pressure goes up. If it beats more slowly and less vigorously, blood pressure goes down.